Welcome to the video tutorial about how to export reports and drawings using Ayacut module of ESurvey water software. In the previous videos, you have learned how to create a drawing, export from CAD package and import in the Ayacut module. In this help topic, you will learn how to export the reports. To export the village report, select the village in the Villages and click Export. A report will be generated as shown, which will have information related to the village survey and numbers. To export the chalk/dp report, select chalk/dp name and click on the Export button. A report will be generated as shown, which will have information related to the selected chalk/dp. Please note that the areas as mentioned in the ROR will be considered for calculation of percentages and not the areas from the drawings. After processing, the CAD drawing can be exported back to the CAD package. Thank you for watching this video.